Okay, hello. Welcome to your speaking test today for Unit 7 and 8 for PIPA and POP. Okay, so I'm Teacher Maggie. Are you ready? Yes, I am. All right, so Ronaldo, can you please introduce yourself? What's your name? What's your name? My My name is Vietnam. Ronaldo. Okay, and how old are you, Ronaldo? How old are you? I'm I 4 years old. Oh, one more time. I 4 years old. Where are you from, Ronaldo? I'm from Vietnam. Okay. Are you happy or sad today? I I am happy today. Today. Yeah, so you are happy today. So are you ready to begin your speaking test? Are you ready? Yes. Yes. All right. So look at the picture, Ronaldo. Can you tell picture? What can you see in the picture? I can see a trousers. Very good, Ronaldo. How about this, Ronaldo? Hat. Yes, it's a hat. Very good, Ronaldo. It's a one more time. It's a hat. Wow, great job. How about this? It's a jacket. Oh, great job. How about this? It's a t-shirt. Wow, very good. It's a t-shirt. Look at the picture, Ronaldo. Where's the dress? Yes, can you tell me where's the dress? Can you click it? Where's the dress? Dress. Wow, can you say it's a dress? Good job, Ronaldo. Good job. Yes, next is where's the hat? Okay, can you say it? Wow, great job, Ronaldo. How about this? It's a bus. But what is the color? Is it green? Is it yellow? It's blue. Blue bird. Wow, great job, Ronaldo. How about this? It's a yellow car. One more time. It's yellow car. Wow, great job, Ronaldo. Can you tell me where is ride a bike? Ride a bike. Wow, great job. That is correct. Wow. High five. All right, great job. What's that? It's a big flower. Ooh, oh, two stickers for Ronaldo. How about this? Uh, what's the color? Green. Green. Frog. Again, it's wow, great job, Ronaldo. How about this? It's a blue bird. Wow, great job. You're doing great. And can you tell me where's the worm? What's that again? Worm. Very good, Ronaldo. That's the end of your speaking test. Good job. Job well done. Before we end, can you say goodbye? Bye bye. Congratulations, Ronaldo.